Hey, to customize lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first you have to open the settings, scroll down until you reach wallpaper and the style, select lock screen, and from this we get actually a few options. The first, we can actually change this clock. When changing the clock, you can also change font style, and you can make it bigger or smaller. And you can also try to move it in this arena. From this, you can even change the color of this clock. And then if you finish, click outside. Then we can add some widgets. For example, we can add this battery status and we can close it. It's actually not visible, so we should actually change the color. Okay, now it looks definitely better. From this, we can also adjust the lock screen notifications, so we can get only icons, but we can even get some details. And we can set the transparency of this lock screen details information. You can also hide all of these notifications. Then we can click outside. Right here, we can actually add the contact information to the home screen, to the lock screen. Or you can add the custom text. And from this, you can actually adjust these quick shortcuts. You can remove them or simply change and get access to other apps. Then you can just click done by tapping on the right upper corner. And additionally, you can also change the wallpaper. So we can click here and pick something from this default wallpapers, or for example, something from your gallery. And finally, you can click done. And this is how we can customize the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. Right now, please subscribe.